In today's dynamic business environment, a connected payroll experience is paramount. Optimizing efficiency, ensuring data accuracy, and maintaining a competitive edge hinges on seamlessly integrating your business. That's why we leverage the power of isolved, delivering flexible and simple human capital management solutions. Our approach ensures effortless communication between platforms, integrating with your existing and future solutions. isolved integrates with a wide range of systems, allowing you to incorporate third-party add-ins, popular apps, and essential connectors. Easily incorporate tools for people management, benefits, tax, and third-party administrators. isolved's unparalleled flexibility allows for infinite configurations and empowering you to create the perfect HCM solution for your business today and tomorrow. The isolved People Cloud platform is a cloud-based SaaS solution, ensuring you always have the latest features and enhancements. It scales seamlessly with your business, so you'll never outgrow it. Let's explore some of isolved's popular payroll integrations, starting with QuickBooks Online. Eliminate its administrative burden and gain back valuable time. Our partnership offers an online API integration syncing payroll data to your QuickBooks Online general ledger. This automation enhances efficiency, improves data accuracy, and minimizes compliance risks. Simplify open enrollment, onboarding, and benefits management with direct integration. Reduce paperwork, minimize errors, and provide your employee with real-time benefit data from any device. Save valuable time with isolved's benefit carrier feed connections. Automate communication of changes and updates to benefit carriers, ensuring accurate and timely data transfer. Easily convert data formats and automate 401k contribution file transfers. PayConnect works with over 80 record keepers, adapting to any industry and data source. Integrate seamlessly with your POS systems, eliminating manual hourly data entry. Whether you're using Toast, Square, Spot On, or another system, isolved ensures effortless data flow for efficient payroll processing. Streamline your hiring processes with integrated background checks and drug testing. Pro Screening, a trusted consumer reporting agency, allows you to order and view background checks directly within isolved applicant tracking. This integration eliminates paperwork, enhances reporting accuracy, and ensures compliance with the Fair Credit Reporting Act requirements. For some popular accounting software systems like Sage and Tact, you can export files into isolved to help facilitate payroll, time and attendance, and more. And we continue to add new integrations to enhance the connectivity of your HCM platform even further. Ready to unlock the power of seamless integrations? Request a free consultation and demo today to learn how GTM, payroll, and HR and isolved can help your business grow.